Nifunani?
Eh?
Nifunani?
Sikhumbulile.
Yakhumbula. Sakhumbula.
Engikumbula. Tomorrow I have an official match.
You received the votes. You were telling me about official.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I have an official match tomorrow.
Were you there?
Yimakabuthi wena. No, angibonanga kahle athi ngibheke futhi. Ha,
What?
she's A1.
Listen now. Get dinner.
Ngizolihwiphiza mina.
Ntombazana uzela ngizodlala TikTok.
Ngizolihwiphiza mina. Ngizokhombisa igame ukuthi how to play a game.
But for my birthday official, why were you not there?
But I didn't see, like for real, I didn't see. I only saw Mangene who. Now when it was the last game, I even took a screenshot. I was going to support you, my friend.
Okay, Punto, no problem. Whip them, Punto.
I'm in shock.
Yes, we lost by 10,000 for my official.
But
Nation.
Bawusolo ungayi-advertise ngani leyo mina ngiyaqala nje ukuzwa ngayo.
You are advertising something that looks like it's from ShopRite. What is that?
when you would see them target for tomorrow first game.
Magakuchi, what's wrong with your eyebrows? Did you tint them or something? They look really.
Nothing. I didn't do. Listen, I'm telling you, after match, it's my first time communicating this thing. First game, 60K. Second, 100. Last one, 50. I better was upon. Last game, some whippies of 150. Can I please have official match? That's my snappers and gifters are always ready. But I'm going to say, guys, 2 roses. We are not playing this. Manje, guys, let's work.
Check my trailers in shock here. Guys,
Like, she's A1, she's got an official match, she's getting votes. I'm like, satitegile, like, snoko, girl, snoko. Hey, Ntombazane. Hi, Tawaza wasebenza, Shem, yo.
January, I won't be playing the whole January.
yeah. Oh.
Somebody's December is December.
It's December.
But I started late, to be honest. But I mean, on Saturday, this coming Saturday, it needs 1 month full. Baba Uti, I'm late.
1 month on TikTok when A1 sis.
No, go.
You are taking it by storm, by force.
You
by
winner.
fire.
Yo.
But I mean, my gift canal, Kupeli Vigi, Ilita Peggy. I'm not playing. Wanko Rikiri.
Wait, Lani, what was that?
Yo.
Little honcho. Magakuchi.
Netrona.
Upi mlungu wako Magakuchi.
Is a comment section. I'm saving my gift for tomorrow's Makakuchi. My people, one thing about my people, they listen to me. What was it called? Man, figure out what I need to donate. Use a little Nino goat. Musaba train and go born up. Manje mangati. Even if it's good to move, it gives them cool. I can't just say universe. But what in you? I'm a galaxy, man, at 5 galaxies. It's all I got 115 money guns from one person. Our whippies are banana bonk.
Maktele, where's your brain?
It's gone. I'm literally zoning out.
You're in shock about Magakuchi, eh?
Magakuchi.
Clock it. Manje open mlungu
Clock
wakho.
it, girl, clock it.
Where's the white man that brought you roses?
Cha vele ningiyeke. Yes, when ungena
Uphi? You just threw him. You threw him away. Eh? Unikile ulahlekile angithi.
umlungu wami ukhona.
Ayikho le.
Ngitshela
Ushayile manje ulahlekile. Ayamazi wena.
Uthi yashada ngoJanuary.
Zesibulala imjolo lapho wena makagoji wena. Inkinga yo.
Awukora. Ngiyamuza ukora uthini ke manje?
Guys,
Uthi makagoji.
sorry. I was still in shock.
Hello,
Mama
makagoji.
Kuti just dropped a bombshell here, so yeah.
Listen, I wanna read the message so that you can see my people. My people loves me. Hello, Makagoji. I don't know if I'll make it tomorrow. Do you have any matches today so that I can drop a lion?
A lion.
My people, last week Sunday I got a university.
Hey guys, let's tap.
Guys, what am I doing wrong that I have never even got a universe?
I absolutely don't know.
Maybe I must become.
The
I must
time
create
different,
drama
baby.
here.
Okay,
I must
you
make
can just
drama
play
here.
on this one, baby.
Something.
Just drop money gun on this one on the next beat if you
Ugeza ngamanzi apink umakaguji.
ngantshela ngathi qinisani ku viewers. Nina inkinga after game, you guys don't send up my viewers.
Huh?
Angikwazi ukwenza lokho musimbe nje lo nto.
Where you feel sorry for Darren. You feel sorry for Darren. uDarren umaka winile uza kumbize ngesiphukupuku. Ni feel sorry for a wrong person.
Wazi
nje.
wena.
Me tap. Hey, Mandla. Hey, please tap, Mandla. Why Zulu? Thank you for the heart, me.
Zero cha ayikufanele ukhale mfana wami. Usase zero.
Zero maru.
Which Mandla was on things at 8. Let me tap.
Ungafaki le sound please simplify.
Guys, let's tap. Let's tap, guys. Let's tap, guys.
Thank you so much for tapping, guys. Thank you for tapping. Guys, as long as we beat Makaguchi, this is right. This is right, bafethu. Just kufuza hair. Nishaye lesipukupuku lesi. Nishaye bafethu.
Because we think.
Wait, Cora.
Guys, let's tap. Let's tap.
Cora, let's teach him medicine. Let's put
Teach
my
medicine.
medicine on their head.
Ah, my sister. This is Mlungu. You want to? Huh?
10 roses, guys. White Zulu. Thank you.
Cela umtshele zama ukuthi they will never qafuza mina akekho umuntu esengimzamela
Guys, one rosa, one rosa, one rosa, one rosa, guys, one rosa, one rosa.
next week ngidlala noDominic ngiyoqopha umlando ke lapho yabo lapho ngoba sengikhombisa ukuthi ningongwa nabonke.
We need 10 white Zulu.
Hi up guys, can I please have 10 roses? Guys, cela ama roses awu 10. Luthando ungami Nkosi yami.
Thank you, white Zulu. Thank you so
Isikhathi
much.
guys.
Guys, we need one rosa, one rosa, one rosa, guys. See, Makaguchi can't even activate speed. People listen, they listen to you, where? Ah, Makaguchi, don't play with it.
We can win without a speed. Guys, can I please have one money gun?
Here goes, man. My head.
Guys, on the triples, anything we drop is times 3.
Angela, it's a bit late. Thank you so much, too.
Guys, times 3.
Guys, yabo manje siyadinga i-corgi or a-mannequin. One corgi or a mannequin. Just kufuza Makaguchi. Ufuna ukushaya lo sipukupuku lesi.
And Macele, my mom was asking, uthi
Anginayo.
Macele, umama bekabuza ukuthi kanti ubhumpi yakhe kulezi nsuku ngimboni eshuderi.
Manje upia igama lakhe.
uhlezi sempini uyamuza manje ubiza ngesiphuphu uphi yakhe
uzongikhapha noma uzokunika. Specifically thinking.
Andile, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Guys, let's push, guys. We can make it, guys. Asambeni.
You want it like now?
You want what right now? You want a hiding right now?
No.
You want a hiding right now?
Get the flavor right now. Choose the right flavor.
Most of Russia's skills lab.
Ngizokufakela ekhadini lakho. Hamba.
Oh, ufuna mimosa. Mimosa, you want a mimosa?
umacela uyakhala zama today
Really, that's the different cup you were drinking from. How many cups you got next to you? That's the second different cup.
It's Melusi's cup. He just gave it to me. Eish.
I notice everything. Man.
zama today you are not playing sizozama late just ukuthi senze amaglove late ngaboma 7 ngizofula live everyone obesebenzela iglove
Guys, if you're here, let's tap. 3.
Guys,
Please all tap this
guys. Come on, guys.
when is your official game macela inini game yake girlfriend yakho
It's on the 18th.
oh yeah next week Thursday ne?
Yes, my darling. Guys, Chipples, awungibheke nje ngiyakho official match ngisathola ama-tabs. Ama-tabs. Mara ngigijimele official match next week.
Zama, and I told you that you have many gloves. Just that yesterday we told, hey, Darren, we already have 8 gloves from one person. Nakhona lo muntu mengena la usenda ama kitten. Ay, abana kusasa ngizobuka imove ngo10 ungalali Darren. Ngiyobuka imove kusasa. It's serious. Fikile welcome back home. I lama sento wadlala lapha ku official match.
Oh, you're talking nonsense, eh? Why must you do that? You're rubbish.
Okay, bewudlala ibest league.
Pugu, yeah.
Usimele singabelungu. You stand for us as white people.
I'm not standing for no one here. I'm standing for myself.
How manje udlala mhlawumbe udlala ku
I'm
WhatsApp.
not standing for anyone. I'm standing for myself here.
Khokho, hamba kudlala ku WhatsApp ke or uTinder la ku private call. Uphume la. If you are here, you represent us as white people.
You are not white.
I get it. The white thing is inside me.
I get it. Me, I'm not white. You can't see. You're colorblind. I'm not white.
For the fact that my friend is white, which means I'm also white.
For the fact that you are black, that means I'm also black.
Exactly.
Well, I'm not
When
white.
umnyama, iking uyakilima. When you were black, you were dark, then you creamed, you bleached.
Yeah, like ubani local kumal.
Uzoboshwa. Guys, can I please have 10? First born yabazali, usenda ama gift manje sinasho isikhathi.
I know just who to share to that doesn't like you. Imagine why you are whipping cucumber, ne?
Honestly, they will send me Darren. They will be like, hi, Smile is too small for you, go to Cucumber. I went there, I whip her. Then they were saying, hi, now go to Zungu Nation. Yesterday I went to Zungu Nation. I whip her 7 times.
Him.
I'm whip it.
Zulu Nation. Zulu Nation.
Umazi showcase kwazi udlale naye. He's from KZN. Lo no official match naye. Afonela. He even phoned his sniper sakhe wathi please come and help me. Sabona nesniper ukuthi this is unsnipeable. I sniping. angamhwephisi nawe nje kuwa ngeqhufuza manje. We are not playing a game yokuthi you reach your daughter's age then you stop. We are playing to win here, Netherine. We are playing to win.
Hey, ungabanga isicefe wena yazi.
Guys, it's unlucky them to play on this pitch.
Bakugiva shem Darren.
Huh?
Bakugiva.
Hayi kunzima ngempela bafethu.
Wonke ama-gift mara bengakufakela lawo. Hayi nabo abantu bakho.
Mashobane, yamazi umashobane.
Umzilikazi kanona.
Mashobane.
Umzilikazi kamacebo.
Mashobane.
Ungishayela uThakhu itolo, ungishayela uThakhu. Bekafuna ukukhala uThakhu.
Uthi I wonder.
He was saying, I wonder. And then Mzilikazi left. Athi yeah. Where is Mzilikazi now? Where is Mzilikazi? He was happy that he left.
Wait for the next game.
Mashobane.
Mzilikazi, you need to send on your last 10 seconds.
Send the message fast kanje.
Guys, everyone often on the last second, on the last 10 seconds, as trying a luck. I get today we are fighting for Ama. First ball must send the rules speaking on the first ball.
Guys, can you please double tap? If you are here, guys, please double tap the screen.
Man, we're not so on your official game, you'll be doing that. Guys, please double tap.
Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go.
Only again, because I don't even know who's going to come.
Guys, on the doubles, guys. Use the doubles.
But now it was doing people.
Man, I'm still advertising, Jay. And I did a live event thing for people to register.
Guys, let's push, guys. Let's all tap and share, guys.
My TV.
Let's push, guys. Let's go. Maria, Q.
Thank you, White Zulu. But you guys are I have to repost it again today because the other day I don't know how many people registered, but I need to repost it again.
So when you trust yourself for subbing,
Yes, sub.
Why you You like the
I don't know. I needed one though.
And I think this is my last official. It's not exactly like official because
Yeah, but see to right.
Guys, we
it
need
was
one
announced
rose,
today.
guys.
In it. How? Shone,
Guys, one rose.
Makibi, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Makibi. White Zulu, wait, guys. Let's wait for the doubles.
Guys, one rosa, chat. One rosa, guys.
Tandela, thank you for the follow.
Guys.
I was Sinclair, thank you for the
Oh my
follow.
God.
Guys, one rosa. Guys, can they have a rosa? One rosa, guys, please.
2 more roses. Fikile. Sino some shooting. Come. Say yenzekile.
Mara Gucci Shem.
Mashobani.
Guys, on the doubles.
On the doubles. First ball. Fix or send the KPs. I go buy my KPs.
Guys, on the doubles,
Guys,
guys,
let's
let's go.
play on the doubles. Ew, you're in.
Gucci,
Guys, times 2.
your white boyfriend, does he have muscles like this?
Makibi, thank you so much.
Unfollow much.
Thank you, my love. Thank you so much.
Mashobani.
Unfollow much. Stembele. Nienzel. Yenza much, baby. Much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mashobani. Don't be scared for him.
Awuhambi ngani yobonga ngade uyaphi phola kimi. Hayi. Abantu
They're not
bebangaka.
like us.
ama-followers about 200 close to 300k shuthi ngingangena ku-live ngihlezi ngibonga
Angiyekele.
kumele ngibike ngithi ngiyabonga ngingasadlali game ngibe kumbongeni-ke namhlanje ngumbongeni angixolisi-ke namhlanje ngumbongeni-ke namhlanje ngiyathanda ukudlala ngento andifuna abantu bebuye bengathandi section kube bonke bavumelana nawe ngabe usuthi
Mashobani, Skoko, wena? Skoko? Mashobani. What they saying in SpongeBob? Put in SpongeBob next door.
uzongena ethi amaguchi ipulishen esicede singiyadlala
Yes, my love. As long as I'm not.
into engabe ngiyayenza
Thank you so much, Sisi. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Matele. I just wish you were told umuntu uzolahle a diving whale on Magaguchi's head. Just one diving whale on top of it. Just one whale diving on Magaguchi's head. Uthi, lumlungu asidlali la.
i-diving ama-diving solo ngithola i-3 you can't trauma with diving
Ungachazi please ngiyakhuluma manje.
Nisho mase nifuna ukwenza le blast yenu ngihamba. Mase nifuna ukwenza
uzohambela
i-blast.
le sound lokhu
Just tell me to leave because you know me, I'm smokeless. Maki! Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
nala ma-sound
Mashobani.
akakwazi umuntu ubonga ukushaya ihloko yethu
Let's go, Mashobani. Thank you to my MVPs. Thank you so much, Mashobani.
guys thank you to my
Thank you.
fikile I think we-MVP
Mkhize, Sibonga,
thank you so much okwamanje
so much, guys.
all
Thank
tap
you. I
this
appreciate you all.
screen. Please
I appreciate you all,
all
guys.
tapping this screen.
I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, guys, let's go, guys. Let's Grufuza. Let's Grufuza this Magaguchi. Magaguchi is trying to make a
You are
statement
provoking
here.
my people.
Let's finish here. I want to finish this.
Wait, mommy. Wait, mommy. Wait, guys.
Magaguchi.
Okay.
Spogo.
Kora, uthenje wena uzi kusasa Kora. When you can play because you said there's a possibility that you are not coming tomorrow. But if you are coming tomorrow, don't. Mind we are trying to unlock ama-glove. That is why ngifule lo live. Ukuthi kuzo-unlock ama-glove. Kusasa sidlalele eglavini. Ngifuna nje ama-glove namahema kusasa. Iglove
Baby,
nehema nje kusasa.
calm down.
Kora, wait. Abeka abantu abathanda ama-money gun njengabantu bami. One thing about my people with money guns, they will whip.
Kora, come here.
Lo mlungu unengculazi elingayi kuye.
Awu.
Wasinda nge-apartheid wayenayo suka lapho vele.
Yakhuluma amasimba chips manje. Yabona sipukupuku, eh?
Guys, let's tap.
Guys, Kora usesekhona. Guys, can I please send roses? Kora izosenda abantu send something. 10 roses, guys.
10 roses.
10 roses, guys. Isikhathi siyaphela. Fikile drop angathi awuboni babe unga-drop one bese uyathula. Fikile drop angathi awuboni sithando sami. 7 more roses. Nakho-ke fixo imasithando sami. Kora on times 2 masesiqalile ispeed. Ngicela udlale ngathi awuboni. Angithi uzuzoba ungekho kusasa. Ahlale ngathi asiboni. Ihlale ngathi vese ngeselilodwa kanje. Phela mina ngikhipha abantu aba-abroad. Manje kumele ngabe oderini bale eko-UK but bakhamse nathi la eSouth Africa basimoshele oxygen.
Hello,
Khona
Sisi.
ngibe imani kani if usesenayo ispeed sesivulekile phela. Wabo macala ngithela wona lama sound. Guys, uthini? Guys, on times 2, let's send something. Queen every day, every second. Queen. Akwazi kuyishaya ihlobo. Nangu usigwege
Asabingelela abantu bami abangena.
uchayelani lo tape leyo eyani. Guys, yaphela times 2 Kora you still here baby.
Terren ufrizile noma kwenzakalani ngayo?
Kusixobo vele lokhu.
No, Sila, sorry, I was busy sharing something.
Thank you.
Ngwani.
Kumele ngabe sawuthola ihlavu manje kudala ugift. Corey, you didn't tap the
Sorry, I
screen.
never saw
Wait,
that.
untap the
Sorry.
screen, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sanibonani.
Thank you. Mageba.
Ngingafuna speed ke lezi.
Guys, come on, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, can we please tap and share? Let's tap and share. Thank you. Mageba.
Weterini, why ungadlali ebusuku kwani abantu bakho basinapha ngama-rose akuzwe iphukuphuku kufana nawe konke lezinto. Why ungadlali ebusuku?
Kuyasebenza weMakaguchi. Kuyasebenza manje.
Sebenza emakuleni yini wasebenza ebusuku?
Yo.
Azimakaguchi yo.
Hey, ngithola amasimbe. Just Guys, let's tap, guys. Let's go, guys. Cora. Cela ungihlisa imoya lapho kweCora, yes?
Usengimute ngoba usuyahlanya. Nakho-ke. Khona ungamlalela belungu uyazi ungabalaleli.
Hayi ungajwayele kabi wema sister ungajwayele kabi ngiyakhuluma kahle uMkhora lapho, yes?
Bad girl.
Utilela sona lezokukhuluma isiZulu.
Cora, sondela la. Ngifuna ukukhuluma kahle.
Wayengakhethanga isiSuthu or respect why isiZulu?
Musungibuza mina hey, please just shut up there.
Ngiyabambeka musu kungibiza mani mina. Yes, no, lo, we are collecting gloves, Sando Sam. If you have something, we are not sending izinto ezinkulu. We are sending donuts today. Send the show, guys. We are sending on a speed so that my gloves so.
Guys, let's go, guys. Thank you for the follow. It's episode. Thank you so much. Guys, can we please kufuza damn I'm shy, yeah. Guys, can we just teach them? Teach them.
Macele, what is the quick and easiest
Thank you
way
to
to
my
get
MVP.
a
Thank you so much.
gloves?
Thank you. Mageba. Bang.
Yo, I don't know, my love.
Ish, Guaname, I'm trying my luck. I don't know.
Why you
But this
calling
one
her-
that you're using is fine.
Why are you calling her your love? Is she your love?
Who?
Thank you, Corazon.
Yes.
Listen, the invite.
This one.
Thank you. Ubanomunye. Always.
My love.
Guys, go on the doubles. On the doubles. On the doubles. Guys, on the doubles.
Guys, if you're here, please let's tap.
Guys, let's use the doubles. Whatever you send is doubles, chat. Whatever you send
Okay,
is doubles, chat.
but
Let's go,
guys,
on the doubles.
throw
On the
a
doubles. On the
rose
doubles. On the doubles, guys.
to
Guys, we have
last
like
3 seconds,
27
but the
seconds,
only
guys.
MVPs on a bubble will get. Okay,
Let's
guys,
use the
laba
doubles.
bamba
Let's use the doubles,
MVPs.
guys.
But yabo MVP,
But I'm not sure. Guys, can we-
Darren, my MVP is not happy. Uthi cela uye ukukhuluma isiZulu otherwise uzophosela yona phezu kwekhanda lakho.
Angitshela lo sipokopoko ungijwayele amasimbe nje.
Oh, ukhora sengamasimbe nje ngoba engafuna ngikuza ku.
Why ukhuluma idodi ungitshela mina lokho?
Amangakho.
Angitshela
ufike
khona
nalo.
wazofika la
Fikile, thank you so much. Ufike uzolithola.
No thanks.
The way back at okay, guys, on the last 5 seconds.
Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.
Ama-roses,
Let's
guys.
all tap,
Kulaba
let's all tap, guys. Let's go.
abagiftile, let's drop ama-roses. Maxaba, on the last. Athi ungasikhuluma isiZulu. Again, they are. Khona wena vele usende mase kuphela ispeed ne. I will tell you.
Tell your people to
Usende
gift you and stop telling you
i-galaxy.
what I must say. Tell them they must just worry about yourself.
Ukuphi nezo wena mawuthi kushaya ikhathi.
Essethi, thank you for tapping.
Khona ongiphi interstellar ngoba uzobe ungekho nakusasa Nkosi yami. I-interstellar nje speedini baby. Uyiqhufuze nje kube
Rubbish.
noketi. Rubbish ubani manje?
You and your MVP, rubbish, nonsense.
Umpi yakho uyabona ukuthi wayebekubiza ngompi yakhe. Yiso zona lezi. Umpi yakhe kumede. Dumsani umpi yakhe.
Oh, Intando, thank you. Guys, can you please double tap?
Ulithole idlavu. Guys,
I'm
kulaba
straight,
abasela
hello.
amagift amancane namhlanje.
Guys, let's all
Yes,
tap, let's all
I mean,
tap and share, guys.
yes,
Let's all tap and
akuwe wekhora I'm coming to China too. Showcase ama-coins e-China. Awu 250 kuthiwa e-China akushibile kuyabula. Kuthiwa nje iy'mpahla uma uphethe 50 cent uyithola nje mahhala. Vele bethi yo une-million. Guys, can I please have 10 rolls, please? 10 roses. Kulaba abanama-gift amancane. Adrobe namhlanje sorry sizosiza laba abanama-gift amakhulu kusasa. Nina nibenisiza ngokuthi nidroba what is this? Gloves, guys.
One more. Let's go, Banky.
Yezwa makaguchi. Next year ngifuna kuhamba nawe kulama influencer parties.
Lapha ngo-attend. One more.
Hawa.
Thank you so much. Angiwathandi ayakhulumisa.
Kakhulu ne? Ngengibonga phela mina ngoba vele ukukhuluma ngikwazi.
Mina ngifuna impilo izoqala kube yimoro.
Spogo. Spogo.
Sebemthembisela yonke ngale or
Ngiko sekajayiva.
Konta bamthembisela
Guys, on the doubles, guys.
on the times 2.
Guys, use the doubles, guys. We need to go a bit bigger,
Times
guys.
2, can you please?
Let's try and go a bit bigger, guys.
On the times 2,
Let's
the speed is
push, guys.
15 seconds left.
Yayizwa le jardini.
Guys, kwabanye ningadlali ukhora uthi uyadlala today because kusasa uzobe engekho. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngithini. King Mtha, thank you for the hard
Thank you so much for trying, guys. Thank you.
King Mtha, tomorrow I have an official game. Can you please come and support?
Yo. The Wicked.
Khora usasekhona nkosi yami. Usasekhona nikhora my love. Danile, did you see my message ku inbox? Or I forgot to send it. Tomorrow I have an official match. I'm begging you, can you please come? Support me tomorrow 10 o'clock. I take Lafi.
Guys, let's up, guys. Daily hot music, guys. Push.
Ngiyakuthanda baby. Sifika nganga. Mase ukhona noNtanele kusasa. Ayikusasa sokukhipha ngempela nje. Sasa sizoqopha umlando lapha TikTok. Kodwa Ntanele wasibangijabulisa because abengithe kuyibona message. 10 PM fikile 10 ebusuku.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Banky. Thank you so much for trying, guys.
Namba ngiyakhanya ngani le?
Hello, thank you, Annie. Thank you, Shamini. Thank you so much, guys. It's so windy that side. Yashalento.
Thank you so much abantu bangisupportile guys.
Hayi Muska TV yakhanya surprise Muska kudlala njalo yo.
Jati. Manje uvese belebele lapho why?
Makaguchi uvala nini emsebenzini kanti?
Uhlanganaphi?
Ngiyabonga. Ukukhipha wona siphukuphuku. More welcome guys triples.
Baby,
Guys, can you please all continue to take the screen?
Guys, anything
Guys,
we
we
drop
have
is
to
times 3.
Sorry, angithi ngimtshelile namhlanje we are here to collect ama-gloves. We are not using any glove. Noma ngathiwa namhlanje sidlala noDominic uyasiqufuza asidropi kwanto. Sidropa kusasa.
Banky.
Can you please all take the screen?
We'll collect my gloves kanjani if you are losing.
How 60 nakhona 60 nakhona one tap nguficile buka senguficile and I'm leading now. Sekakhuluma isiZulu sikwazi wazocisha uyiluma umlomo. Guys, let's all take the screen.
Ngoba hafulu kakhulu nina nafule manje ezabele phansi. Guys, 3 roses.
Guys, 3 roses, guys. Guys, two more. Guys, it has to come from 2 different people.
Guys, 3 roses.
2 different people, guys. 2 different people.
1 rose per
Guys, how
person.
bunky, how bunky, guys. It
1 rose per
won't
person.
activate, guys. It has to come
2
from 2
roses,
different
1 rose per
people.
person. Thank you, Snalo. Thank you, Tammy. 1 more rose, guys.
Amathune,
rose,
uzobona.
ngiyabonga.
Amathune.
Ongekile mala. Ubangani nami. Fikile ubangani nami ngoba ngifaka sekubheka ispeed ngaphela.
0 6.
Guys, on the last Fikile.
Okay, thank you so much.
Tanele, can you please, because today we want to get a class. On the last 5 seconds, Tanoza, can you please drop my roses? On the last 5 seconds, drop my roses.
6. Guys, let's go, guys. Let's tap, guys. Let's go. Jojo for KZN, how are you? Guys, let's go.
Guys, we still have 2 minutes.
Matele.
So Matele, Majora.
Spogo. Who did that now? Nonsense. We are Sunday. Frozen.
Guys, tell us okay. If ungangizwa
I love.
Bongekile on the last 10 seconds. Bongekile ufikile and Bongekile woko wena phambili.
Yes.
Tanele Snalo Fikile on the last 10 seconds.
Yes, you can run away like a chicken dust. Go.
Send them a rose. Sesame chance back to my glove. On the last 5 seconds, we are all sending the roses.
You are chicken dust. Go. Get out of here. Go.
Snalo ungizwela.
I'm joking.
Okay, Daniela, you still here, my love?
I'm okay. I said my love, and you are just saying how are you? Who the
On the last 5 seconds, you drop as much as you can.
Who the hell?
Last 5 seconds, per second or something. 1 per second. As long as it's a dropper.
Guys, watch out for the snipe. They're trying to build clubs. We don't want them to get clubs. We don't want them to win. Snipe them. Snipe Makaguchi. Snipe. Guys, snipe.
How about
Snipe for it. Snipe.
Wazange, fikile Bongekile. Fikile nyambona late. Snalo.
I snipe. Okay, go. Thank you to my MVPs. Thank you, Bonki, Sibongile, CK. Thank you so much. Hello. We're just waiting for Maktele. Maktele is restarting, okay? Hello. Can I show you someone? I want to show you someone. What do you think about this person, okay?
Is this a someone? Ay.
Yeah.
What's he, yo? Ay, Umona, why Umona?
Na kwi-official game yokudlala lama-sound abantu bazophumela zona lezi.
Mzilikazi kaMashabane, welcome. Tongekele Makaguchi. Dr. Manpower, welcome. Guys, let's play on the triples. Let's tap. Ninshayile Makaguchi angiyeke.
Why do you always get personal when I put that?
Guys, on the triples. Anything we drop is time.
Hey, CK, I don't know. Guys, but let's use the triples.
Guys, time 3.
Luthando, tomorrow we have an official game. Don't
Wala,
finish
wala,
your
wala,
prize.
wala, way.
Tomorrow
Guys,
we have an
let's tap. If you're here, please tap and let's play on the triples.
guys, we mustn't finish our game.
Guys, triples.
Tomorrow we have Danele also drop at Tokyo University.
Dololo. Boy.
Guys, can we please all double tap the screen?
I see you as bro. Little pin. Just one more time. Wait. Hold on. Wait for this track. Wait for this one. Wait. I think keep a CK effects. Umona.
Guys, 10 roses.
Guys, one rose, chat.
We only need 10 coins.
I said welcome. Guys, can I please have...
One rose and
Guys, one rose, chat, one rose, guys. Guys, one rose, chat, one rose, guys. Manje khona umuntu lapho ucela ama roses akwazi ukuthola ama taps.
Sesende udwena manje. Kunini owasenda lapho ngithi kungasendwa khona kusiyami.
Akwazi ukuthola ama taps ucela ama roses.
Loli, thank you. Awubongekile ngilutho ngaphandle kwakho. Iflake leli lakho we normally elakuphi? Abantu bakhona bangithanda ngihlezi nginokubabona bengena.
Ube mashobani.
Uthi ngimede ulona. Okay, ish but nangiyaphuma nesma. Mashobani ngasathephi nescreen ngokudlangile. Guys, it's a time soon. Sebemthembise-ke lo yakithi. Guys, let's play on the time soon. Guys, on the time soon kungapheli isikhathi. Amadonati ningasenda into eyiningi nkosiyami. Guys, amadonati on the time soon. Luthando, woza baby. Woza Bongekile, wozani guys, let's play on the time soon.
Yabo le kiss. That kiss belongs to.
Thank you. Fikile, thank you. Lily, thank you. Oh, this is Sniper boot, guys. Leon, yes, Sniper. Luthando ungiphinde sithando sami just to snipe.
Ngiyaphapha mina no-2.
Usokufaka le sound because I'm ngise officeini.
Maka Gucci, lower the volume, please. Udereni uyaphapha.
Guys, can you please snipe lento?
Why Umona? Why Umona?
Umona one, do you know who sniped here? Shut up.
So sorry.
Yes. Continue with those kisses of yours.
Wait. What is that? What is that?
Losing. Yes, says. You've been talking too much. Yeah. Zero maroon. What is this? What is this?
Can you please?
You're busy making fun of me here. You white nigga.
In the last 5 seconds, let's.
Yeah, papa. We are lying.
Because abantu bashawa isikhathi. Ufikile nje ushawa isikhathi. On the last 10 seconds, guys.
All this time you're busy. Which girl, man? Baby, ningilinde. Guys, okay, siyaqala. Sistanele sisifikile and Luthando, guys, on the last 10 seconds. Luthando, take ama roses. Yo, akekho utanele uzobe khona kusasa siyawadinga amaklava akhe. Bongile sekurayit sithando sami.
This white nigga whipped your ass.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you to my MVP, CK. You have 2 gloves. Mafkin, man, shout out to you. Much respect. You have a timer and a booster. Thank you, Peter and Nkanyezi. Thank you so much, guys. Much love, much respect. Thank you so much. Yo, guys, I actually missed TikTok. I missed
I
it,
don't know, guys.
guys. In case you guys didn't notice,
I don't
I'm
know.
at work.
I
Like,
don't
not
know how am
now,
I
but
going to get
I
this
just
as
recently started a job
close.
and I've been away for quite some time and
This
I miss streaming.
thing is starting to
Not the
press
same.
me now.
I miss everything. Yeah. Yo, hey guys, I miss you guys. Makele, hi. Hi. What am I? What is the code?
Thank you
just
for
saw-
tapping.
I just saw the heart. I thought it was a kid.
Ulayekile uyaphapha wena.
Guys, can you please hold it? Can you please hold it?
Oh, mina ngiyapapa. Makele, what happened to Magaguchi now? The phone is moving like.
I don't know. I think she's busy there. She's busy.
Mufasa, how are you? Welcome in. Guys, let's all tap, guys. Maga, Gucci. What iPhone are you using there?
iPhone 6.
Lelo, guys, 10 roses, please. 10.
Why are you calling me nonsense? Why?
Micho, guys, 10 roses.
Guys, can you please have 10 roses? Fikile, can you please send 2 finger hearts? 2 finger hearts is 10. Thank you, fixers. This is unlocated like very speed.
Yo, Makele, is your TV that loud that you can even hear it from the garage?
No. It's a phone. Phone yakhe Russell. Yebo, cabanga iviwa ngiDeren aseThekwini.
Yedlala man, how?
Manje wena imaze lapho iDeren
Yedlala Makele. Why you gotta be so serious? To be serious?
Magaguchi nawe musuku usiveza phela.
kancane ngiyavela.
Nawe musuku usiveza phela.
iDeren wena masugula la sekupele sikhipha ama-R1 la TikTok sekakubulela uDeren because kuzofela lapho kwakho lokho. Ngoba sekuyicase yethu ke manje ukuthi kumele silokhu silibele sihamba ukuthi justice for black people.
Charles.
Sekungcono ngomkhaba lo ogcolisisa.
Kuthi Magaguchi yakhuluma bakithi.
Magaguchi ukhuluma nabani? Ikhanda lakho rise, asebenza kahle.
Ukhuluma nami cabanga ngithi mina uDeren Chomi ngithi phone ya surprise ivakala eThekwini. Uthi sis maze lapho uDeren wena ukuthi waseThekwini. Ngithi hey uthi uDeren mase kangibulele sebayokhipha ama-R1 like
Magaguchi was trailer mas.
sebalokwathi justice for black people.
Magaguchi, can you buy yourself a weave now because that mop is not doing you justice, please. Mop. We are tired of seeing the mop. We all know you Bemetango, but still keep a mop.
How have you been? I was worried about you. Oh, Shem, my love. I did not have electricity since yesterday. It went off while I was live. It just went off. It just came back now around 1. Yo, my phone was off since yesterday. Sorry, Chomi, but I've been okay. How are you? It's okay, Chomi. How have you been? You okay? Are you good?
Makele, shaba your shit. What's it, mommy?
Chomi, that is 200. It's sniperable. Don't worry.
Yeah, your two taps are sniperable.
Mamosh. Send those snipers to us. I'm sending
Okay, it's fine.
209. Send my love.
Anyway, Chomi, how have you been? How was your day?
That's fine, Chomi. How was your day?
I'm okay. Thank you, Chomi. Yeah, we'll
Hey,
talk.
Papa Yin, guys. Papa Yin, you guys are
I was
asking
about to
all
say,
those things.
Michael Gucci uzobaleka.
How there's no
No,
smoke,
we'll
Mus.
talk.
Mina ngibalekela 200 and then
Michael
ngihlezi ngisho
Gucci, drop and come and drop me a baby lion. I don't hear any stories. It's your late birthday present
when
to
are
you.
you ngcono nombuzo nomuntu
No, Michael
ongidropela
Gucci,
something
it's your
wena
late.
even umuntu
No,
ofuqa
listen,
hlala you
Michael
don't
Gucci,
drop even a rose
listen.
you don't even
Michael
unlock
Gucci,
you
it's your
don't
late
even
birthday
unlock
present to me to say happy birthday.
present
Mama
for
Gucci, where you
for
going? Because we're still playing.
Michael
I want
Gucci,
to
can you
work.
come and
I'm not
drop me a
working
baby
if I'm
lion to say
live.
happy belated birthday?
When I don't even send a rose if someone is playing, you will just see the
Michael
room
Gucci,
is just
don't look at
joined.
other people. I'm asking you nicely. Can you drop me
I'm
to
not
say
looking at other people. I'm saying when I don't, I don't
okay,
even
get the
know a
fuck out
rose
of
from
here.
you.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
When you
Go.
were playing a match, I sent you a
Get out of
lion.
here. Go. If you don't want to, get out. Go. Ham. Pugu. Get out.
It's a good. Thank you, Fixo. Thank you, Fixo. So, Mama Fixo. Mama Fixo. So, Mama Fixo. So, guys, I need to end the live news of my life late. Probably 5:30. Then ngizokhona ukundirector kahle because mangila angikhona ukumemeza. First born abazali, is it a nice? But this one was boring. Mas ngiba bengasithola kahle sikhona ukumemeza lapha angikhoni phela ukumemeza, they are limiting me. So guys, late we are playing together as a team. Please, a simple if we are playing ukuthi sithole ama-gloves. Thank you, love.